Hey guys, in this example, we will be doing simplification of exponents by a common factor. It's quite simple really. So let's do an example. We'll start off by saying 2 to the power of t minus 2 to the power of t minus 2 over 3 times 2 to the power of t minus 2 to the power of t. What you notice is that there is a common factor throughout of 2 to the power of t. You notice that the terms are separated by a negative sign. However, we can take this common factor at the top and at the bottom, and we can make a fraction. Let's do our parentheses. So 2t divided by 2t, the red one, gives you 1. Now minus 2t to the minus 2 would give you 2 to the minus 2. Let's do the same at the bottom. That would give you a 3 and a minus 1. Let's cancel our terms. That's just an explanation of where we got the 3 and the minus 1 from. Now let's cancel the terms. 2 to the power of t. This leaves us with 1 minus 2 to the power of minus 2 over the answer 3 minus 1. We then work this further and we say 1 minus 1 over 2 squared over 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. We now say 4 over 4 for the value of 1, minus 1 over 4, because 2 squared is 4. We put that over 2. Now 4 minus 1 is 3, and we keep our base, which is 4. We then say divided by 2, which we get from our denominator, and our divide sign from the line above the 2. The 3 over 4 comes from saying 4 minus 1, just to reiterate. We now say 3 over 4 times by 1 over 2. We call this tip and times, and T for short. So when you divide by a number, you can actually multiply by the inverse of that number. So you put that number underneath at the denominator position. Now we say 3 times 1 over 4 times 2. This gives you 3 over 8, and that's your answer. Easy game. Here we'll be doing another simplification question. We say q to the power, we say 9 to the power of x minus 1 over 3 to the power of x plus 1. We'd say that's equal to 3 squared, because you get that from saying the square root of 9 being 3, and then you put the power of 2. And we just carry the other points across. We carry it down, we say 3 to the 2x minus 1 over 3 to the power of x plus 1. We can notice now that there's a difference of squares. That 2 and the negative 1 make a difference of squares. So now let's factorize. We say 3 to the x minus 1 times by 3 to the x plus 1. That's a simple rule for difference of squares. We then write the denominator down. Here we cancel common terms. We now say our final answer is 3 to the power of x minus 1. Easy game.